Hello everyone, this is Temi FX. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to trade channels, chart patterns, and how to execute trade on them without giving yourself problems. If you watch my previous video on how to execute trade using double bottom formation, you will understand this Euro GBP. As you can see, is in profit now. I took the trade on Thursday, I think so. So you should be in profit by now if you watch my previous video on how to execute and spot trades using double bottom formation. As you can see, like I told you in my previous video, we have double bottom here. 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 You won't, like I told you in my previous video, you won't enter the buy position immediately after spotting your rejection candle. You won't enter your buy position immediately. You wait for the price to break the previous junction, the previous high. You wait for the price to break it, which is this place. Then when the price break it, you wait for the price to retest back to your support level so you can have good risk reward. As you can see here. So when the price retests back to the support level, then you look for your rejection candle on lower time frame. After you spot your rejection candle on your lower time frame, then you enter your buy position. As you can see, our risk reward target is here, and you can see the SL and TP. So if you watch my previous video, you understand much about this, how to spot trades and execute trades on double bottom formation. But that's not the business for today. Today's business is how to spot and execute trades on channel chart patterns. So let's go to today's business. We'll be using New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, New Zealand dollar. I think I can just put a falling channel there. So we'll be using New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. As you can see here, we have a clean channel here. So if you are going to be taking your sell entry or buy entry using channels, chart patterns, you need to be very careful. If you don't want to lose your money, you need to be very careful. So if you are going to be carrying sell position using channels, the first thing you need to do is you connect the lower high and lower lows together. So after connecting it, if you are taking sell entry, you wait and you check clearly. When you see a good bearish rejection candle, when you connect the lower highs, it gives you a trend line. So you look for bearish rejection candle on the time frame. I didn't know the time frame you are using to analyze, but any time frame you are using to analyze, you must find a bearish rejection candle first. As you can see here, we have bearish engulfing bar here. But after you find the bearish engulfing bar, you won't enter the sell position immediately. You won't enter the sell position immediately. You still need to find some confirmation before you enter the sell position if you want to be free of stress. So the next thing you need to do after you get a good bearish rejection candle is you wait for the price to break the first and previous lower lows when forming the channel. You wait for the price to break the first and the previous lower lows when forming the channel, as you can see here. The price has broken the first lower lows. The price has broken the place. So when the price broke the place, when the price break the place, then you wait for the price to retest back. You wait for the price to retest back to the trend line before taking your sell entry. You wait for the price to retest back to the trend line, as you can see here. You wait for the price to retest back to the trend line. So when the price retests back to the trend line, then you go to your lower time frame. You can use factor of 4, factor of 6, factor of 5. You go to your lower time frame and take a good bearish rejection candle. So when you spot a good rejection candle there, then you are free to enter your sell position. As you can see, we have a massive 4 here. We have a massive 4 here, and you will still have a good risk reward. That's how to spot and execute trade using channel chart patterns. Thank you very much. This is the end of the video. If you are joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell. If you are our returning subscribers, kindly like. If you have any question to ask, you can drop it on the comment box. Thank you very much. Bye for now.